Hello, for this video, I'm going to show this analyzing job market data report that I created in Power BI. It's another DataCamp video that I created this report during my taking the DataCamp course. So here it's the home screen, it's the first page, and it's acting like almost like a website where you have these images that are links that you can click. So we'll start with jobs. So here's like the company, I guess you could say, data search. It's a jobs overview. And here's some cards. So there's 9,556 job postings, average years of experience here. Homes, how to just go back to the screen. So here we have this tree map of the different job titles as with their job skills, and the bigger the square, or I mean the bigger the rectangle, the more jobs are in that. So like here, data scientists who have the skill of Python, there's a lot of them. A lot of data scientists know machine learning, SQL, programming. So that's what this tree map does, and you see it changes the interaction with the chart here. These two charts, this vertical bar chart and this stacked area chart. And so the stacked area chart shows job postings by the years, and then it has this key which shows the job positions levels. So you can see in overall that the mid-senior level has grown with more jobs as time gone on, but all of them have, but looks like this one the most from 2019 to 2021. And here we have a bunch of slicers, so if you want to do like data analyst, that shows their skills here and shows the job postings. So we're going to go back to all. So this bar chart shows average years experience per job position level. So, executive, because it's like the highest level, it's going to have the most years of experience. And, it's kind of obvious, but this is how it shows, like almost, let's see if anyone's close to double. This is 5.3. So mid-seniors almost double associate level, same with director and mid-senior level. Associate entry and an internship, you don't need, it's a third, like 4 months of experience. So there's that slicer that just narrows down by job title. There's job position level, so if you only want to look at like directors there, and we see that company name, put in these companies, 6 cents. You can see the job postings on that. Company size, company industry, and when the jobs was posted. So that's jobs. And so there's some extra pages here for more analysis, so we'll just go over that quickly. So there's job level analysis, which is the average of years by experience by a job. So we saw this chart, it's just a bigger one. And then here's this line, and it's still a stacked area chart. And it's the same one, but it's bigger, so you can see it. Job titles, this. So we kind of condensed all this into this jobs page. So now we're going to go to skills. So I'll just use this link here. Now we're on the skills page, and it still has these slicers. It's going to be consistent. It's just the charts here, the data that's displayed, it changes. So you have the cards here, distinct count of skills, and the job postings with skills. And so here we have the skill count by the skill. So skill job posting that's have SQL is most, and then Python, and like here's Power BI. So this line chart shows the percent of skill in the posting by the years. So it's purple, and here's the key. So the purple one's cloud skills, and it's a little bit more than 1/3% of all the skills is cloud. And then let's try to see this. And these dotted lines are the line of best fit, or the trend lines. Here's a table that shows the percentage of skill included. So it's like this. It's just a table view of it. It might be easier to just quickly scroll down because this can't get all the different skills. But so that's skills, and we can look at skill analysis here for a bigger picture of this. One, skill likelihood, the table on this, and then the slicers. Now we're going to do company, and these are just, they're just page navigation actions. So we're going to do company, same slicers. This is a gauge chart, and it's showing that 116K is the middle average, and this is maximum value, maximum pay, and then this is minimum value of pay. Here's a table of different job titles with its companies, names, and how many postings there are. This is a scatter chart, which shows the company industries and then the average user experience. So we can see like this outlier here. It's IT and services. So you need 20 years experience here. There's 3 jobs that are posted for that. But you see the size is the posting count. So here it is the most job postings are for company for mid-senior level position at internet industry, and average user experience is 5.37. So there's a lot of information you can glean from this type of chart. This one shows average user experience and posting count by the company size. So you see the posting count is the size of the circles. So this one had the most postings, and I'm trying to see if there's any type of outlier, but there's not really. But you could see that the more employees in a company, the less years of experience there are based on this chart. So that's company overview, and here's some more same charts, but yeah, that's just a condensed view of it. And so that's analyzing job market data.